We're interrupting our programme for a BBC News report.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Office of Civil Defense. This is an emergency broadcast. This is not a test. Local law enforcement agencies are warning of violent unrest in the following counties: Dodge, Lakefield, Battle Ridge, Big Prairie, and the following areas: Lakeville, Pine Creek, Buckfield, Douglasville, Lakeview Shopping Center, and Buckley Air Force Base. This is a dangerous situation. Stay inside of your home and barricade windows and doors. Wait for law enforcement to arrive, and do not leave your home for any reason. Individuals may act violently and cannot be reasoned with. Avoid individuals displaying signs of aggression at all costs. Repeating, a security alert is in effect until 12 p.m. Thursday Central Daylight Time. This warning may be extended at any point. Please stay tuned to 12:65 a.m. for real-time updates. This message will repeat.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the official civil defense. This is an emergency broadcast. This is not a test. It is very important for you and your loved ones to be safe to follow the instructions that will be given soon. Pick all the supplies inside of your house, such as food, medical supplies, clothes, radio, fired guns, anything that you can defend yourself. Block and lock all of your doors and windows. Remain silent. Do not look out of any windows. Don't try to contact with outside or don't try to help people. If you hear knocks or noises around your house, don't reaction or don't try to investigate. If you or a member of your family gets bitten, lock yourself or them in a room and don't check them again because they be already dead soon. Stay tuned for more information and instruction on this dangerous situation. This is the end. Government has fallen. Army has fallen. All attempt to contain it has failed. We are shutting down the electricity after our national anthem. Goodbye. God bless America.